Friends, is it really true that by applying chemicals to this paper tree, it starts looking so beautiful? But this guy doesn't believe it in the video, so he orders the same tree. After unboxing it, he finds 3 packets of chemicals, takes them out, and places them outside. Then, he places the tree in a container and starts adding the chemicals one by one. In the end, before showing the result, on one side there's mother, and on the other side, money. Which one would you prefer? If you, like me, prefer mother, then like this video and subscribe to the channel, and after some time this tree will look amazing. This tree definitely deserves a like.